Oh, I didn't see you there.
Coming in, flex. I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2 2 3 3, I'm on 10 again,
What is going on, peoples? How are we doing? Today I'm back with another cooking tutorial video for you guys. Today I'm going to be making the famous, the splendid, the delicious egg fried rice. The amazing thing about egg fried rice is you can make it with anything. It really does complement things like your protein. So if I was making like a chicken dish, I could make some egg fried rice on the side just to complement it. Doesn't take long and it's healthy. I reckon it's going to take us about 15 to 20 minutes to make, and I'm making for 2 people today, so I'm going to show you all the ingredients for 2 people. Make sure you stay tuned. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, obviously don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you guys learn something along the way. As you can see, peoples, step number 1 is you need a wok. Nice big wok, depending on how many people you're cooking for. Once you've got your wok, get your oil. All we're gonna have is 2 tablespoons of oil, okay? Struggling to get that open. 2 tablespoons of oil, just gonna pop that in here, drop that in the pan. Right, peoples, once your wok is nice and hot and the heat is penetrating through the oil, grab your chopped onions and I want you to dash it into the pot. After you've chopped your onions in the wok, I want you to get either your fresh vegetables or your frozen vegetables, and I want you to chuck it in the pan straight after, again on a high heat. Because there is a little bit of water in there, it needs a little bit longer to cook. I let my vegetables, my frozen vegetables, soak up in the wok now, so there was a little bit of water, because obviously they were frozen and the ice was coming off the vegetables. I let it sit in the pan for a couple minutes and now it's all good. I've turned the heat down a little bit, I've spread out the vegetables and the onions, and then I'm grabbing my whisked eggs, my beaten eggs, and I'm chucking it in the center here. If you've got a rice cooker, make sure you make your rice beforehand. I have made enough rice to put in the wok. I'm cooking for 2 people, so I'm going to put 2. And a little bit. Right, peoples, gonna add in all my seasonings now. So I'm first gonna add in some garlic pepper, roughly around a tablespoon, I would say, of garlic pepper. And then you wanna add in some either normal salt or some pink Himalayan salt. I'll say again, around a teaspoon. Thereabouts. Some black pepper. Again, teaspoon, teaspoon, and then some rainbow peppercorns, and then you want to stir in all the goodness. Right, I have some dark soy sauce, which also I'm going to add in. This gives it that extra color, gives it that extra flavor. So I would say about a teaspoon or 2. I probably will add more in, but that is good for now. So I've just chucked in my spring onions, as you can see. Again, I put this in last because it cooks quite quickly. As you can see now, it's going a nice browny color, which indicates it's nearly done. So it's time for the good old taste test. Woo! Hot.
Where did that steam come out your mouth?
Very, very nice though. Not gonna lie. I think a little bit more soy sauce. To give it some extra flavour. And a touch more salt. Give it a little bit more of a stir. Oh, I didn't see you there. Peoples, the egg fried rice and chicken is complete. Oh my God, it's actually so good. Yes, I hope you guys enjoyed. This is how I make the beautiful egg fried rice. It is delicious. It takes about 15 minutes, very, very quick. So if you're looking for something quick and easy to make that you can feed a lot of people with, and it doesn't take up too much time, and you can save it for other days as well, egg fried rice is the one. Not many ingredients, prep everything in advance, and you're good to go. The chicken on the side, that's optional. You don't have to have that. You can have other stuff as well. But I chose to have some chicken wings that I pre-seasoned before and then chucked in the oven for about 20 minutes. So yeah, really, really good, really, really nice, very, very quick. I would say give it a try. And yes, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Stay tuned for the next one. Obviously, don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, and obviously don't forget to subscribe to the channel, you get me? But yeah, peace, on to the next one.
Big been dope on flame, I just switched the lanes. Damn, he did it again, I just flipped the pain. Stripping and dipping in bass, slab on everything. Swimming, you shaking away, cause I got big racks coming.